brief background. I hope you still have the energy to absorb a little bit of information because it's hard to understand something without the history. Now, Charles Doe. Charles Doe is considered as the father of technical analysis. He died in the early 1900s kasi sa sobrang dami ng pera niya. So, Charles Doe, he was able to, he had a theory. So, since siya yung nagsabi ng theory na to, they called it the Doe theory. So, ano ba yung Doe theory? The Doe theory is composed of 6 tenets or 6 factors. The first one is the market or anything you buy has 3 trends. Mapa-gold yan, mapa-silver yan, mapa-mutual funds yan, na diversified yung funds. Lagi yang may 3 trends. It's either uptrend, downtrend, or it's in correction or consolidation. So, ano ba yung 3 trends na to? Okay, let me show you the chart of ABS. This was way 2 months ago. 2 months ago, I was looking at ABS. And yung mga nakabilog, that's an uptrend, obviously. Kasi pataas. So, an uptrend is pataas. Now, medyo mag-fast forward lang ako ng konti kasi this is a very good example. In 2007, every 3 years, ano meron sa Philippines?
Election.
Very good, election. 2007, may election?
Yes.
2010, may election.
Yes.
Where are the uptrends?
Election.
Election period. Why is ABS affected during election period? Galing, mga analyst na, oh. Gagaling na. So, technically, using charts, you get to factor in yung mga ideas nyo of why it's going up, of why it's going down. So, in this example, ABS was in an uptrend during election period because money is pouring in every election sa media advertisements. Ano taon ngayon?
Election.
What's going to happen next year? 2 months ago, I bought this at 24.1. Ngayon nasa 30 plus na. And I am not selling because I know that next year is election time. Okay? So, alright, di ba? So now, do you get the hang of it? Di ba? It's very easy. It's very easy to analyze.
Pwede na.
Pwede pa, di ba? Kaya mo ba, di ba? 30 something lang.
O, hintayin nyo munang bumagsak. Later, I'm going to tell you kung nakabili ba kayo at the right price. Same with gold, same with silver, same with whatever.